What's going on, guys? Biker Dave here with the 1996 BMW Z3. This has a 1.9 liter little 4-cylinder engine with a Downing-Atlanta Supercharger, as you can see right there. But this is pertaining to the throttle position sensor. That little guy right there. And in stock form, it has an awful Phillips head screw that holds it in place, that is easy to strip out by accident. So, and it's hard to get to also, at least it is in my situation with the supercharger right there in the way. Anyway, you can replace this stupid little screw with a little Allen, 3mm Allen. Much less problematic as far as stripping it out. And I'll put a link down below for the size of it. But it's, it's a small little guy. But the important thing is it has an Allen head instead of a stupid Phillips. And she will fit right on there. The lower one might be a little more difficult for me because it's, kind of down there and I got this very little clearance right there. But anyway, I just want to tell you that you can replace these stupid screws with little Allens. That'll make life easier for you. And I'll put a link down below where I got it, or I'll put the size of it as well in case you just want to search around for it. You can get this at most any hardware store, even some auto parts stores. But I know most people like to shop online. But if you're looking for something quick, I'll put a link where you can get it locally. And that's it. Yeah, once again, this is an M44 1.9 liter with a Downing-Atlanta Supercharger. Puts it, over 200 horsepower, which, doesn't sound like much. But for this little car, it is a ripper now. I mean, it really goes. Total fun to drive. Still gets great gas mileage. Yeah, a hoot. Real hoot to drive. Anyway, we got more videos about this car. So look for the playlist link that'll pop up at the end of this video. And we have other stuff too on our channel relating to cars, dirt bikes, motorcycles, Harleys, Yamaha motocross stuff, Honda motocross stuff, classic cars, Mustangs, Cadillac ATS-V, Ford Taurus X, Dodge Durango RT, all kinds of stuff. So scan through our channel. You might see some stuff that'll help you. And make sure you click the thanks button underneath the video of any monetized video on YouTube if it helps you solve a problem or not make the same mistake. Helps everyone out. You'll have a great day. We'll see you.